From time to time, you may receive a call from a customer who needs help resetting their password on trashbilling.com. In this video, we'll walk through the steps together so you can quickly reset your customers' passwords and get them back to accessing their account and paying their bills online without any hassle. Start by locating the customer in your TrashFlow database. Click the Customers tile on the front page of TrashFlow. Then, use the right-hand menu to search by name, account number, address, or phone number. For this example, we will search by name. Type the customer's name into the search bar. Then, double-click their entry in the Finder window to open their customer card. From the customer card, click File in the top menu bar and select Clear TB Password from the drop-down menu. And that's it. The next time the customer logs into trashbilling.com using their web ID number, they will be prompted to create a new password. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need additional support resetting your customers' trashbilling.com passwords, don't hesitate to contact us at 800-708-8642. TrashFlow, saving haulers time since 1989.